Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today we're showing you around this absolutely stunning Porsche Macan GTS we've currently got for sale. So it features the 2.9 turbocharged V6 petrol engine producing 375 brake horsepower. You'll also have peace of mind motoring this vehicle as well, with a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves. There's a huge amount of specification on this vehicle which I'll show shortly. And just starting off the front, you've got those LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the vehicle, you've got the optionally fitted 21-inch RS Spyder design alloy wheels to finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, and the optionally fitted panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light into the cabin. There's a generous amount of boot space also available with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You'll also benefit from the electric tow bar as well, which fully folds out with the touch of a button. You also have ease of access with the electric tailgate, which you can also open with the key fob. And moving inside, you've got the gorgeous optionally fitted red leather upholstery, giving a nice luxurious feel with the GTS badging on the headrest there. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers. At the front, you've got that leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, with that adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable, as well as full electric adjustment for the seats. Just behind the wheel, you've got that part digital display with the optionally fitted sport chrono package. You can also display your sat navigation there as well. Just moving on to the infotainment system, alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got sat navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. There's even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got the park assist with front and rear parking sensors and also that rear view camera. There's multiple driver modes also available, including a Sports Plus setting. You've also got that sports exhaust button as well a little bit further down the cabin, which I'll show you shortly, with your adaptive chassis there as well. You've got your dual zone climate control on offer, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. As you can see, you've got that sports exhaust system there, with the optionally fitted black tips, and also a couple of cup holders on offer, and plenty of storage with the further charging ports. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like further details on this vehicle and take the car for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today, or visit the link in the description.